let's go through, let's see if we can find some for next week. Microsoft thing is already trading up. Microsoft, is anything on Apple? Damn, Apple been cooking like that? Nobody said anything? Damn. Y'all remember when we were down here? Do y'all remember you see where the line is? Who remember when we were down here at 164? You remember that? Who remembers when we were down here?
That's when I bought a few shares of them Jones at 161.
Yeah, you smart. But look at something, right? So when you go back, you can always use this to learn, right? And see whenever there's a clean divergence like that. Look at the low to low, right? And on the RSI, you see it was a low to high. And when it popped from that low, it went from 164. Now we traded at damn near 200. But you see the power of divergence, right? You see it very clearly here. The problem is sometimes when you are in it, it's hard for you to see it because you might, get in a little early, and if your expirations are tight, you might lose a trade here or there. Then you start questioning yourself. But look at this massive move from here. Literally, it was the bottom, right? It was the bottom relative to, if you're looking like in a span of a year. And it went all the way from here. So imagine if you bought leaps or swings that were like 170 strike with like 4 months or 6 months, you made money, But at the moment you get in, you lose, you get in, you lose, you start getting frustrated. Amazon. Let's look at Amazon. Look, another divergence. That divergence is very powerful, right? See, you see the divergence here, this low to this low. Now look at the RSI. It was going the opposite. It was doing the opposite thing, right? The RSI is slanting downwards. The price action was moving upwards. You see that? Amazon. So Amazon, I don't see anything immediately. Meta, we spoke about it the last time, but we didn't get in, and I think it popped. Damn, internet moving so slow. Look at Meta, power of pin bar. Even if you don't get in and you miss it, you can always look back to learn, right? Look at the power of the pin bar. The power of the pin bar. Pin bar broke up. Broke upwards. 167. Boom. Made money. Google. We got in Google.